It's really good to get out to places like this every once in a while. Wow, man, we just had a fall over here actually. Good morning, guys. It's the next day now. It's Saturday morning, early morning actually. Somehow Khrys woke me up at like 6:30 this morning. She couldn't sleep, I guess, herself. She thought it was already later, but it's much earlier than expected. Very, very pleasant morning so far. And we have a house guest. I don't know how long she's been staying here for. Curious what kind of breakfast options are here. Supposedly it's not really much, it's only like donuts and coffee, but I'm curious to see what it's like. I've started drinking coffee a little bit recently. Let's go check it out to see what's there. Sleeping here in this place with the fresh air and the sound of the wind coming from the ocean is a very pleasant experience, but it's also not really easy to sleep in late over here because once the sun starts coming up, it starts getting really warm and kind of humid too. Well, not too humid, but being in a tent gets a little bit stuffy. Good morning. Our scooter's still here, so that's good. Hi, good morning. The main office is right here. We have a community fridge where we're keeping our drinks cold, so that's really convenient. I was concerned that we should have brought a cooler with us, but it wasn't necessary. This is actually a better option. Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, the beach is not the most sightly place to be right now, but it's still nice. The sand is still soft, the water is still clear, the fishermen are already out doing their thing. It's really good to get out to places like this every once in a while. Good morning, sweetheart. Oh, you're just waking up now. You look so sleepy. Oh, these are the coffee and donuts that I was talking about earlier. And these are, you know, the regular sugary donuts that are locally produced. Very tasty. The coffee is, I guess, the Nescafe. But, you know, me as a non-discerning coffee drinker, I don't really drink much coffee. For me, it tastes fine. It's a very pleasant environment to be having breakfast in. Alright, so we got some really good ideas from the locals over here of what kind of places we should go sightseeing at. And if we're lucky, we're gonna get to see some whale sharks later. So, wish us luck for that. So, we got our orange monkey all loaded up. And now we're heading off to the other side of the island for another day of adventuring. And there we're going to see some marine life underwater. Can't wait to do that.
Wow, man, we just had a fall over here. This road is really bad. We're going really slow, kind of barely just rolling down. But because it's so slippery from the small pebbles and rocks, we ended up falling on the side. And Khrys got hurt a little bit. Not so bad, but you know, she might get a bruise later. Wow, it is really scary. Hopefully it's not going to be too bad. Well, because of the low tide, we have to walk a little bit through the muck, which is very sticky, in order to get to the boat. We're going to be having a really fun boat ride, it looks like. Oh my god, the water is so warm. It's actually almost too warm. It's actually a little hot. I don't know if I've ever experienced that kind of warm water before. This is incredible. That's our boat. The waters here are really shallow, so we have to be pulled out first before we can even go anywhere.
Or else we'd be walking like 2 kilometers.
Wow, man.
Before we can even swim.
Beautiful warm waters everywhere. It's so clear too.
It almost feels like the bioluminescent water. I mean sand, because the mangroves is right there.
It's kind of like clay.
Yeah, but I can't remember there's a certain term that they use to describe the seabed.
Oh, it's so salty.
Spicy.
More salty than spicy. Filipino chips. Wow, that's such a weird sight. Look how far from the shore we are. And somebody just standing there fishing. It's pretty wild. Well, it looks like we ventured out far enough. And there's supposed to be some barracudas swimming over here. So we're gonna put our snorkeling masks on, our fins, and then we're gonna go do some swimming.
I love you, what to do, I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you, what to do now. Only problem is I love you, what to do, you got me bound, make my world spin round. I love you, what to do now. Cause the problem is I love you, what to do, I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you, what to do now. Only problem is I love you, what to do, you got me bound, make my world spin round. I love you, what to do now. Cause the problem is I love you, what to do, I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you, what to do now. Only problem is I love you. Cause the problem is I love you. Cause the problem is I love you, what to do, I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you, what to do now. Only problem is I love you, what to do, you got me down, make my world spin round. I love you, what to do now. Cause the problem is I love you.
Oh, that was loads of fun. Damn, we saw some amazing views over there. Got to see fish, got to see corals and clams. No turtles though. Oh yeah, well, we didn't see sharks, but apparently there were some.
One shark.
You saw it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I pointed them out to you.
I
pointed it out to you.
I was trying to see it, but
The water, I mean, it kind of blends in with the water. That's
Yeah.
why.